Only 1% can solve this. What is the largest land animal? Elephant. Which animal is known as the king of the jungle? Lion. What is the fastest land animal? Cheetah. Which animal has the longest lifespan? Tortoise. What mammal can truly fly? Bat. Which animal has black and white stripes? Zebra. What is the largest species of shark? Whale shark. Which bird cannot fly? Ostrich. What animal is known for changing color? Chameleon. Which animal has the strongest bite force? Crocodile. What is the largest bird in the world? Ostrich. Which animal sleeps the most? Koala. What sea creature has 3 hearts? Octopus. Which animal is the tallest in the world? Giraffe. What animal can live without water the longest? Camel. Which reptile can change its sex? Turtle. What animal has the largest brain? Whale. Which animal is known as man's best friend? Dog. What insect produces honey? Bee. Which animal has blue blood? Octopus. What animal is famous for its memory? Elephant. Which animal can regenerate lost limbs? Starfish. What is the fastest bird? Falcon. Which mammal lays eggs? Platypus. What animal is nocturnal? Owl. Which animal has the thickest fur? Sea otter. What is the largest reptile? Crocodile. Which animal uses echolocation? Dolphin. What animal can sleep standing up? Horse. Which animal has the longest neck? Giraffe. What animal is known for its quills? Porcupine. Which fish can inflate itself? Pufferfish. What animal has the strongest legs? Kangaroo. Which animal can see ultraviolet light? Bird. What animal is known for playing dead? Possum. Which animal has fingerprints like humans? Koala. What animal lives the deepest in the ocean? Anglerfish. Which animal is the largest mammal? Blue whale. What animal has the longest tongue, relative? Chameleon. Which animal can survive freezing? Frog. Out of 40 questions, how many did you get right? Share your score in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more fun quiz videos.